Okay. So we were watching Casey Neistat's vlog and we were just breaking down the shot of how he makes his vlogs. And हम लोग एकदम heated discussion में चले गए जो हर एक चीज discuss कर रहे थे. So we decided why not try something. So what the four of us are going to doing, that's Mohit, Vatsal, Rahul and me. We are both going to shoot one sequence in 4 different ways and edit it and see how it turns out.
And action. Record.
Guys, अभी देख सिंपल है, कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनना है तो कंटेंट बनाना सीखना चाहिए.
तो you're saying कि एक in-house filmmaker है तो एक अच्छा ये है अपने पास.
आई एम सेइंग एक बंदा है अमित सर जो पिक्चरें बनाता है, तो अभी पिक्चर बनाना प्रैक्टिस कर रहे छोटा ऑन अ स्मॉल स्केल. बहुत सिंपल सा क्यूट सा 15 सेकंड रील.
छोटे शॉर्ट स्नैकेबल कंटेंट प्रैक्टिस करके धीरे बड़ा कंटेंट बनाएंगे. So lined up for the third shot, guys. एक नंबर ब्रो. ये होता है डायरेक्शन.
डायरेक्टर साहब
सीख ले कुछ तू थोड़ा साले.
Ready? It begins till about here. Just walk normally and look up at the sign और कुछ नहीं करना.
ये नया फिल्म मेकर आया देख.
बस staircase से वहां तक just walk. I want to see the interaction.
भाई अवार्ड विनिंग एडिटर है तो कुछ अच्छे कट्स देखने मिलेंगे.
Repeat.
भाई तू प्रोफेशनल एडिटर के साथ काम कर.
नहीं ऐसी कोई बात नहीं. एक और कर ले.
हाँ थोड़ा
ये वाला डायरेक्टर मस्त है.
वहां से आजा.
सीखना पड़ेगा.
उससे सीख. I'll tell you can do the exact.
न्यू इंडी फिल्म मेकर्स.
Go.
9 shots, holy shit. मेरा 5 में लिपट गया.
Walk. Go back. Walk into the frame as you were. हाँ.
मैंने ये सब नहीं सोचा.
Okay. I would have wanted another zoom, but we can make it do. Good job. Appreciate your time and effort. एकदम mast acting है.
Nice.
You did exactly what was required. Thank you. So कि एक और आइडिया आया. वो exactly जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं, it opens up and shows him also the possibility and Ratty and even both of us of how a simple action of walking in and looking up at a sign can have multiple variations just based on an idea and a thought. Right? This is literally what we can talk about. The movies are made in your head.
So that's why if you guys realize मैंने एक simple line दिया. Because that simple line can be filmed so many ways.
Correct. So let's add one more element to this game.
Okay.
At the end of it, all of us get everyone's footage.
Okay.
You are making your own footage ka movie, yes. You are also going to be making Emmy, Mera and Batty ka footage ka movie.
Nice. Just the
So
way.
how someone else's shot of footage, how you think can change the outcome of someone else's footage. At the same time, how before you have shot, you plan all the shots and then when you shoot and edit
So
yourself.
just the way I would
You
do
will
yours.
We all will do. Yes. So you get to see your footage being edited by 4 different people. I get to see my footage being edited by 4 different people.
Nice.
We all of the same reel get 16 variants.
So basically, this shoot challenge just became an edit challenge as well.
Yeah.
एक पूरा end-to-end solution like a production house.
Basically.
That's what we do, right?
So what started with one line of Vatsal walking into the guild house and looking and wondering why the sign is off
Yeah.
is going to net us a minimum of 16 videos
Nice. Not bad.
between 4 people.
So.
Director साहब.
बेसिक पॉइंट क्या था कि वी वांटेड टू शोकेस दैट यू आर एंटरिंग द गिल्ड हाउस एंड तू इधर आता है एंड साइन बंद है एंड यू आर अ लिटिल वरीड ऑन योर शॉप. तू एक आइडिया ले रहा है एंड यू आर ट्राइंग योर बेस्ट टू ट्रांसलेट इट एंड रीच इट टू द ऑडियंस. तो द शॉट्स दैट वी विल टेक विल मेक श्योर कि तेरा इमोशन एस्टैब्लिश होए जो होता है आफ्टर यू लुक दैट इट्स ऑफ. स्टार्टिंग तेरा एंट्री एस्टैब्लिश हो कि तू गिल्ड हाउस में आ रहा है. ये मेन चीज है कि एस्टैब्लिश करना कि यू एंटर्ड द गिल्ड हाउस. ठीक है. सो फॉर दैट वी विल गो फॉर द फर्स्ट शॉट. I was thinking I wanted to do something different. So what I'll do is इधर से खाली एक एसेंस दिखाएगा कि किसके थ्रू खाली बंदा आ रहा है.
If you realize I started doing that shot, then I said no because I knew तू ये shot करेगा, मैंने कर लिया.
Okay.
I cancelled it.
So he knew my first shot. The editor अच्छा अभी award winning editor होना as a best friend यही फायदा है कि he knows exactly what I'm thinking. So good. Cameras rolling. And action. Ali, just walk towards that side. I want to see क्या walking.
Left, right?
Left. Like वहाँ तक ऐसे सीधा जा और left पे उधर खाली खड़े रह. Let's just see here how it looks. Okay. And action. I will stand somewhere here actually.
See, one part of the filmmaking challenge is over where 4 of us have shot. Now comes the more fun part where four of us are going to edit because मेरे लिए challenge यहाँ शुरू होता है because I enjoy the edit more than the filmmaking. I like the filmmaking part as well because I get to experiment and use the camera in different ways.
Bro,
but वो इसका department है मेरा.
एक second, let's just be honest because you're an award-winning editor. इसके लिए इसको मजा आता है पूरे editing process.
वो मेरे को एक बात बता कितने plug करेगा?
मैं क्या करूँ?
और जगह editor नहीं award winning editor.
Bro अभी है तो है bro क्या करेगा मतलब what do you want me to refer to you?
वाला वीडियो में शेयर करो.
More importantly, now is the fun part. We're taking a ramen break and KC भाव के videos देख के.
Cheers.
और by the way, 2x spicy, वत्सल की आंखों से आंसू आ रहा है. उसकी हालत टाइट हो गई.
ब्रो तेरे को पता है बेस्ट चीज क्या है अभी जस्ट बारिश हुई तो वो एकदम फील आ गया कि
Bro, ये भजिया नहीं है.
नहीं वैसा ही फील वैसा ही फील है कोरिया में साले बारिश होती तो क्या तू भजिया खाता है हाँ
Korean भजिया चिकन के साथ. All four of us shot 4 edits coming up right now. 4 edits per person, 4 लोग. That's 16 total edits. वत्सल ने I think 2 कम किए because this was the first time he's editing, but mind you, Premiere Pro पे edit किया है. While Suki, Rahul and me, all 3 of us use Final Cut Pro. अभी 4 edits आ गए each. Let's check it out.
I love it.
That was
black and white films.
Oh, Mzifa!
ठीक है बनता है.
बोल.
First I want to start by saying कि मैंने जब भी शुरू किया.
Thank you to my mom and dad for this award.
उसका भी टाइम आएगा पर अभी नहीं है.
even though मैंने चालू एडिटिंग के साथ किया था ये पूरी फिल्म मेकिंग की कहानी, it's still been a challenge for me because shoot पे आप इतना सोच सकते हो, you know, I've always not limited myself कि edit पे ऐसा होना है. You take a simple idea and I think over the years what has happened is उसको खाली communicate करने को थोड़ा you just keep getting sharper and sharper and sharper. So I think today's experiment was great because मेरे को भी सीखने मिला कि ठीक है, एक concept simple था कि बंदा जाता है, एक guild house enter करता है and he's just, you know, looking at the global esports logo and neon sign suddenly बंद हो जाता है या उसको देख रहा है, उससे क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. It was great to see 4 जन के perspective. It was great to see कि उन लोग के mind में क्या ideas थे. Like I couldn't understand Rishi's footage जब मेरे पास आया because he had certain shots that he imagined which he knew कि ऐसे edit में fit होने वाले very particularly.
हम लोग ने शुरू किया by just watching Casey Neistat's video and trying to do a short breakdown of वो कैसे अपना footage shoot करता है, plan करता है, and from that it stemmed to more giving the idea of a narrative, a concept of Vatsal walking in and looking at the sign and whether the neon sign is on or off, and then we were like, bro, instead of discussing it, let's do it.
And
from there came the film challenge.
Yeah, I mean film challenge वैसा है and always, you know, कुछ filmmaking या content related सीखना आपको, तो take the camera in your hand, take the phone in your hand, go out there, shoot, make the movies you want to make because मजा उसमें ही है.
Yeah, I mean the main part is करो, execute करो, shoot करो, खत्म करो, edit करो. Worst case is bad, do it again. You'll learn a lot more.
I should have prepared better.
देखा theory में घुस गया.